This one is a 1971 Smith Corona Super Sterling. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they work. To get it out of the case, you push that button up, pull it out. Right. This is the line space. 1, 2, and 3 spaces all work. Left carriage release works good. The bell works good. Right carriage release works good. Right margin, let's adjust that. Looks good. Left margin looks good there too. All right, take a look at the machine itself. The front, the left, the back, and the right. Inside the key bed and the spool area. All right, backspace works good. Tab function is all clear. So let's set a tab right there. Try it. Works good. Let's clear that tab. All good. Let's try the margin release. Right now you can't type because it's at the end of the margin. Now let's release that. Looks good. All right, let's type.